Hey loves, welcome to today's video where we are going to be doing a little get unready with me with a nighttime skincare routine. I have been really on point with my skincare lately and I filmed this video with some new products I've added into my routine, so let's get into it. So heading into my bathroom, I am starting out with skin that just has some sunscreen I had applied earlier in the morning. So I really only needed a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, as well as that sunscreen residue. Tonight I'm using the new cleanser from Hero Cosmetics, which is their Gentle Milky Cleanser that has oatmeal, jojoba, and ceramides to cleanse and hydrate the skin. And for my peeps with sensitive skin, this is a great cleanser as it's formulated to naturally soothe the skin, and it also has PHA, which is the most gentle exfoliant, so you can steer clear of any irritating physical exfoliants. I'm just taking a few pumps of the cleanser and gently massaging it into my skin with some lukewarm water. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse, pat dry, and my results were soft, clean, oil-free skin that was ready for any treatments. I had a small blemish that was bugging me, so I went ahead and applied my serums and moisturizer, then grabbed a Hero Cosmetic Mighty Patch, which is a hydrocolloid patch that works on all skin types to shrink blemishes while absorbing any gunk. My chin is usually where I break out, so these are great to apply before bed and let them work their magic. All you need to do for this is remove a patch from the sheet, gently apply it to any area that has a blemish like a spot treatment, and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini get unready with me while I demonstrated some new products. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box for you to check them out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.